Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to introduce you to the new concept of 180-degree rule of filmmaking. We use this rule to give the audience a good sense of orientation and create a relationship between two characters. When mostly two characters are in focus, maybe they are talking or they are doing something. So in order to give the audience a good sense of orientation, we use this rule. In order to apply this rule, you need to draw an imaginary line in between that two subjects. You should have all your camera position in the same direction of the imaginary line that you have drawn. Well, it is an example of giving the audience a good sense of orientation so that they will not get confused while they are watching that video. In this way, the viewer will not get confused at all with the angle and orientation while they are watching that video. Well, here is an example of the 180-degree rule. I hope now you have got the idea of how 180-degree rule works. Now it's time to move on to the next video.